What are you doing to capture website visitors into leads? Hi, I'm Michael Dillon, founder of Paperback Expert. And one of the biggest challenges I see as I go around to business owners' websites is right in the center of websites is this big call to action that says, schedule a call with me. I think that's the wrong call to action in the center of your website. I think there should be ways for people to schedule a call with you. Mine's up in the top right-hand corner. But people are researching you. They're looking for information. They're wanting to take the next step in the process. Most people visiting your website are not ready to schedule a call with you. So they're looking at that and they're bouncing off your website, going somewhere else, and you're not getting them to opt in as much as you could be or should be. So what's a strategy you can use to convert more of those visitors to your website, those browsers, as I call them? They are browsing your website. How do you convert them into buyers? Well, you do it through a series of emails and videos and different things that we will teach you to build your credibility and to educate them and nurture them. Okay, so what should you do to convert a website browser? Well, the best thing you can do is have a very well-structured lead generation magnet on your website so that they can opt into that, and it gives them the information they're looking for at this time. They're probably not ready. Less than 3% of the people in the market are ready to do business with you today. So you're missing 97% of the people if you're saying, schedule a call with me today, because most people aren't ready. So give them something of value that will help nurture them and educate them and build your credibility. Okay, that's a lead magnet. Now, obviously, I think the best lead magnet is a copy of your own book. This is what Lynn Godfrey does, and this is what we teach our clients, is to put your book on your website, give it away for free, get people to opt in and be on your list, your database. The reason that's important is your list is your number one asset in business. If you're relying on social media platforms for your marketing, you're in danger because they can change at any moment. They can kick you off, blacklist you, they can change your logarithm. All those people can be gone. But when somebody's on your list, you own that list. Now you can market to them. You can do lots of marketing. Not that you're not doing social media, you just own them. This is your sandbox per se. This is your playground. And they're on your list, so you can do a lot of cool things with it, okay? But you've got to have something that they're interested in. It doesn't have to be a book. I think a book's the best. It could be video, it could be a white paper, it could be an ebook, it could be lots of things. But you need to have something on your website that answers the questions that are in the prospect's mind, that gives them information, that leads them down a path that hopefully solves an issue that they have, and that opens up more opportunities for you to serve them. That's how you convert website browsers into buyers. Because if you're like most of the websites and business owners I talk with on a regular basis, you're losing a lot of people because they're browsing your website. They're just not finding anything of interest to opt into. They're not ready for a conversation with you, so they'll check you out later. Odds are they don't. And so you're missing out. I'm telling you, the best thing you can do is put a great lead generation magnet on your website and allow people to opt in. I would say keep the opt-in form small. Email, first name email. That's all you really need at this point, because you're trying to build a relationship with these people. You're trying to get them to know you, like you, trust you. The credibility that you have needs to be transferred over a series of emails, videos, resources, information, so that when they're ready to make a decision, they're now ready to talk with you. And you're the only one that they're ready to talk with. That puts you in a very good position. So in your marketing, look at your website. See if your call to action right in the center is schedule a call with me. And if it is, I would implore you to change that to download a free copy of this. Watch my video on. Something of that nature. Let them take an easy next step. Yes, always have a place on your website where they can schedule a call with you. And in every one of the follow-up emails after they opt into your lead magnet, there should be opportunities for them to schedule a call with you. It's just not dead center in your website. That real estate is too precious for that call to action. You should have a call to action that answers the question that your prospect is asking, and it solves that problem. That's going to build more trust. It's going to gain you more clients and help you grow your business when you learn how to convert website browsers into buyers. Hope this has been helpful for you. Go apply it. I'll look forward to talking with you soon. Take care. God bless.